Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw Lori from The Loud House. Start by drawing a circle as a guide for the head. To draw the circle, make two small marks to indicate the circle's length, and then on the sides make two more small marks to indicate the circle's width. Then connect the marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the circle. Sketch lightly at first so that it's easy to erase if you make a mistake. Also pause the video to draw at your own pace. The circle doesn't have to be perfect, but if you're having trouble drawing it, just trace the outer edge of a coin, a bottle cap, or anything else with a circular edge. Inside the circle, draw a curved vertical line. This is a construction guide that will help you place the facial features later on. Near the middle, draw a curved horizontal line for another construction guide. Under the head, draw a thin rectangular shape as a guide for the body. Make this shape thin at the top and wider at the bottom. Pay attention to how long this shape is in relation to the head. At the top, draw two short lines as guides for the neck. On the top left side, draw a line that slopes down and then curves back up as a guide for the first arm. At the end of the line, draw a small circle as a guide for the hand. On the right side of the body, draw a vertical line as a guide for the other arm. At the bottom of the line, draw another small circle as a guide for the other hand. Under the body, on the right side, draw a long vertical line as a guide for the first leg. Lori's pretty tall, so don't make this line too short. At the bottom of the line, draw a flat oval as a guide for the foot. To the left, draw another vertical line as a guide for the other leg. At the bottom, draw another flat oval as a guide for the other foot, but don't overlap the first oval. And that's it for the guidelines. Now let's start on the final drawing. Inside the head, on top of the horizontal construction guide, and to the right of the vertical construction guide, lightly sketch a small circle for the eye. When you get the size and position of the eye right, darken the shape. To the left, draw another small circle for the other eye. Don't overlap the first eye as you draw the second eye. Inside each eye, draw a big dot for the pupils. On the outer edge of each eye, draw two short, thick lines for the eyelashes. Below the eye on the left, draw a short curved line for the nose. This short line should be similar to an upside down letter U. Draw two short curved lines above the eyes for the eyebrows. Below the eyes and nose, draw a big curved shape for the open mouth. This shape should be similar to the letter D on its side. Sketch lightly at first, and when you get the shape right, darken the line. Inside the mouth, at the top, draw a curved line for the row of teeth. And inside the shape, draw shorter lines to separate the teeth. Add a curved line at the bottom for the tongue. Now follow the lower edge of the initial circle to draw the bottom half of the head. On the left side, curve the line inward toward the eye to create the cheek. Add a short line to the left of the eyes for the top part of the head. On the right side of the initial circle, draw a short curved line for the ear. Above the eyes, draw a series of curved lines for the first part of the hair. Each line should be similar to the letter U. Pay attention to how these U-shaped lines tilt above the eyes. Add a couple more U-shaped lines above the ear. Inside the ear, draw an S-shaped line for extra detail. Under the ear, draw a short line and a tiny circle for the earring. On the left side, draw a couple of longer curved lines for the bottom part of the hair. Above the head, draw a sloping horizontal line for the top part of the hair. And then to the left, draw a long curved line for more of the hair. Add a shorter curved line on the bottom right side too. Now on the right, draw a long curved line for the back portion of the hair. Along the bottom, draw 3 more U-shaped lines to finish the shape of the hair. Now use the line on the right side of the body as a guide to draw the first arm. Draw the thin shape of the arm around the guideline. The overall shape of the arm should be very skinny, but the bottom part should be a little bit wider. Now to the right of the circle at the bottom, draw 3 short curved lines for the fingers. The fingers should also be similar to the letter U but sideways. Darken the short lines under the head for the neck. Under the neck, draw a curved line for the shirt's collar. Darken the rectangular shape in the middle to create the torso. Draw a curved line near the bottom for the lower half of the shirt. And at the top, draw 2 short curved lines for the chest. Draw a couple of short lines along the bottom of the initial rectangle to create the shorts. Use a vertical line to split the legs of the shorts, and add 2 short horizontal lines for the cuffs. Draw a series of short curved lines around the circle at the top to create the fingers on the other hand. Each finger should be similar to an upside down letter U. Now use the line below the circle as a guide to draw the rest of the arm. Darken the guide and then add an extra line at the bottom to make the shape of the arm thicker. Darken the line on the lower right side of the body for the first part of the leg. Curve the line at the bottom slightly to the right to create the calf muscle. Add another vertical line on the left side to make the shape of the leg thicker. Darken the flat oval at the bottom to create the shoe. Add a short curved line at the top of the oval for the shoe's opening. Now draw the leg and foot on the left side the same way. Darken the guideline and the oval at the bottom. Then draw a short curved line inside the oval for the shoe's opening. Now go over the final lines with a pen, a marker, or any other type of permanent ink. The next few steps are sped up so that the video won't be too long. Take your time and be careful when you ink your drawing to avoid any accidents. Don't ink the initial guidelines, only the final drawing. When the ink dries, erase all of the guidelines. And now color your drawing. Use yellow for the hair and peach for the skin. Color the inside of the mouth black and the tongue pink. Use light blue for the shirt and the shoes and light brown for the shorts. And that's it for Lori. Don't forget to pause the video to draw at your own pace. Also, please visit EasyDrawingTutorials.com where every step of this tutorial is broken down into an individual image. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment. Also subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.